The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Very, very, very good morning. Today is Wednesday, January 18th. It is PPI Day. You guys may wish to shut your bots off. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Frank, good morning. Dennis, Anthony, Don, guys, good morning. Very good morning to you all. My bots, well, I've shut them off now, but none of them have taken trades. ES, no trades. Morning, Wayne. Crude has not taken a trade. NASDAQ has not taken a trade. No trades this morning on NASDAQ. YM has not taken a trade. Hey, good morning, Doug. And the only thing that's traded today is natural gas, which is up $1,510. So a couple of trades on natural gas, both winners. I will shut that off at this point. Good morning, Tom. Guys, very good morning. Welcome back to day two. For many of you that are on trial, it is your second day in the room. And for those of you that began the funded trader program, that would be members and new members alike, it is the second day of day two. Very quickly, just a quick housekeeping. Part of the program, guys, is you need to send me your numbers every single day. If I don't get yesterday's numbers with today's numbers, you're out. Salem, if you're in the room, did not get your numbers yesterday. Kim B, if you're in the room, no numbers. Sharon, no numbers. William G, did not get your numbers. Doug Prudek did not get your numbers. Tom Scott and Dan Stivers did not get your numbers. That's it. Everybody else. Oh, and Chris Urich. I don't have your numbers, guys. I cannot help. Maybe you don't want my help, which is fine. If you guys don't want me tracking you, generally speaking, if somebody doesn't send me their numbers, it's because they have gone and done something they shouldn't have done, and they don't want to tell me. We have a very strict plan. We will follow that plan today. Once again, just to reiterate for you guys, we will start trading a singular account. Yeah, I figured as much, Chris. Whenever I don't get numbers, I know somebody did something they shouldn't have done. So we'll start with a, good morning, Don. We'll start with a single account. All of our accounts obviously are at zero for the morning, unless you've done some trading last night or this morning. $100 more and you pass 4 evaluations. Well, we'll get you that in a hurry. Or you'll get that on your own. If we hit our goal on that first account, somewhere between 400 and 500, we will of course then go to another account, and we'll keep working accounts in progression. Remember, there is a hard floor at $750. Okay. Now, one of you sent me your totals yesterday, and you were well above that. And then, of course, one of you guys did something as well. But guys, there's a reason that we have a program in place. Remember, these funding companies, regardless of who they are, Apex, OneUp, TopStep, pick a name, Blue Enox, whatever the hell they are, they all have trapdoors. Every single one of these platforms has a way for you to fail and keep buying accounts. That's how they make their money, guys. They don't make any money on you trading somebody else's money. If you guys go out and get a funded account and take payouts, they're not getting paid. They don't make any more money. All of the Apex's money comes from you guys and myself and whomever buying accounts. So their vested interest is in you failing, as is every other platform out there, right? They don't have a vested interest in you succeeding and getting somebody else's money and trading and making $1 million and you guys getting a payout. Their vested interest is in the accounts. Consequently, that's why we have to trade as basic scalpers, right? We're scalping ticks, which is kind of what I do. I've never been a swing trader. I'm not a swing trader. So please follow the program. All right. Day one, if you made some mistakes, okay. So if you had an account yesterday that was down, that's the account you start with today. We're going to work that out of the ground, or at least attempt to, right? Good morning, Steve. If it blows, it blows. It's $30. It's a lot cheaper than having had lost $2,500 of your own money. But we'll try to work that, we'll start with those accounts. Okay? I've shown bot trades. I think we have a trial, maybe 2 starting today. Good morning. Actually, I do. We have 2 trials that came in yesterday. Good morning to you and welcome. You guys are joining, and for all of my trials, it's a short week. Monday, obviously, being a federal holiday, and I want to reiterate, I will not be in the room on Friday. I am off on Friday. So tomorrow's our last day in the room. However, for those of you that are on trial, worry not. Your trial will conclude next week. Okay? So the link that you have, the link that I sent you for your trial, is valid through next Friday. So you get a few extra days in the room, due to the federal holiday as well as my missing Friday. If an account blows, is it better to reset it or cancel? I would say cancel, even though the renewal is like $30 or whatever. The renewal is 30 days down the road. So effectually that account would be you wouldn't be able to use it for 30 days unless you reset it. The reset fee, I believe, is like still the normal amount of money, $80 or something. So you're better off canceling the account. You bought SPX 3950 puts for $1.50 and 40 calls for $2.25. Okay, you're playing both sides. Okay? It's probably unlikely. It is highly unlikely that one of those is not going to make you money. Yeah, absolutely, Mimi. I appreciate it. I'm all for a little speculation. All right, guys. Let's do what we do every day. This is your cue to go get coffee or do something else if you want. That's why I read the disclaimer every day. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance. Mark got 3,200. Onyx got one funded. JC got one funded. Eddie got one funded. Marsha got one funded. Cora and Jack got one funded. Sharon got one funded. Ricky got one funded. Everybody got a funded account. Andrew made 3,200. Yeah, but it's funded, dude. It's funded. How about that? There you go. Little wisdom, guys. Little wisdom. I'm an old dog, but I learned new tricks. Nolan got 2 and blew 1. How'd you get 2 and blow 1? What'd you do? Too long? He did too long. Lori got one funded. You got one funded on a $25,000 account? Okay. Tried the order flow bracket and got my goal of the day. Ray is done. All right, guys. There we go. There we go. My NASDAQ is sitting at 698, 697. Look at that. I'm still in sync. Well, not really. I was with the Backstreet Boys. Yeah, they use bracket trades on the auto execute. Nobody else caught it, Rick. You're the only one. Wayne caught it. Two of you caught it. No, you don't trade the funded account. No, that account that you guys just passed, all of you guys that just got funded accounts, done for the day. You cannot trade it again. There's no benefit. What do you mean once it's funded? I think it's 7 days. Yeah, 7 days. So now that you have funded accounts, you will trade one micro for 6 more days. Oh, you already have 7 days on it? No, don't trade that account again today. Nope. Go to a new account. Why would you risk that account? It's done. It's funded. All right. So next month, when we have FOMC, what are we doing? February 1st, I think it is. What are we doing? Burn one to earn one. Now my charts are all foobarred, all my lines and supports and resistance, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so now they got longs trapped. Yeah, so what you're gonna do once you're funded. We're not there yet, Andrew. So trade combine accounts until we get there, because then I have a. Yes, I did it, Joe. I did it. I'm a genius, except it was never my idea, so I can't take credit. It was not my idea. I did not come up with that. We're going up. Nice job, Arjan. Yeah, that wasn't my idea, guys. Nice job, Floyd. Funded an account. I cannot take credit for that idea. Was not mine. That idea belongs to a member of ours, Paul. I don't know if Paul is in the room, but he's the one that came up with the burn one to earn one. Yeah, listen, absolutely, guys. I mean, the ATM, Keith, the ATM was 32 tick target on the ES, 8 handles, and 8 contracts. You're welcome, Andrew. And 8 contracts. Yep, I give credit where credit's due, fellas. All right, guys, I'm turning my bots on. I think we've got enough. Just missed a nice natural gas long, which I should have left natural gas on because it's unaffected by any of this. All right. All my bots are at 0. None of them took a trade this morning except for natural gas, which is at 1500. And I just missed this trade because my bot was off. They are all on at the moment. Let's see if we can get some bot trades. All right, guys. You have a NASDAQ trying for a long here above that. And we can get to 77. Good morning, Tom. Let's see if we can get a trade here on NASDAQ. We have 2,400 net buyers, guys. My belief is the direction is long. We'll be long today. You've got this year above that line at 76. You can try a long. There's a NASDAQ bot short. Target filled. Target 1 anyways. Target 2 filled. Both targets filled. I did a little screwing around with the ES. I'm trying something different. I don't know if this works or not. I changed settings. I will be long on the NASDAQ at 75.50. NASDAQ support. We have 5-minute support at 52.50. Let's see if it holds. I'm going to have to redo all my charts after that insane movement. Yeah, we held 52.50. Let me look at NASDAQ on a bigger time frame, guys. Hourlies are long. 10 minutes are technically long. We're above the cloud. $2,100 plus buyers. We've had about 700 sellers, net sellers in the last 6 minutes. We've got some selling pressure. There's target 1 on the ES. Again, I changed my settings on the ES. I am using a TD Renko. This hit target to the tick and did not fill it at 12. NASDAQ is holding VWAP. All right, guys, I got to redo support. We have support at 40. We're holding basically hourly support. Small buyers, 15, 12, 28. We have some small buyers. We could trade back 67. Morning, Marco. I'm using different settings on the ES bot, Marco. I changed them last night. I did some playing around. If anybody wants to screw around, I'm using a TD Renko with an 8 brick. All right, guys, I'm looking to be long. Next candle right there. All right, I tried a long. You guys can get a better fill. And it's not working. I'll kill this trade momentarily. No, let's go. Come on. Come on, I've got buyers. Let's go. I'm on the close button. I'll take small losses on it. Come on. Let's go, you chump. This should easily get to 80. That would be my final target if I get out of target 1. No. Come on, seriously? I'm out. I'm out, guys. Small loss, $300 loss. I'm out. NASDAQ shorted on the bot. Mark, I know you're new. It doesn't work that way, Mark. So these settings that I changed to could prove to be, in the next week or two, complete and utter shit. Do you want complete and utter shit? Or would you like to know that they've been forward walked and that they work? I already know the answer to that. That was kind of rhetorical. I have no idea how these are going to play out. I back tested them for a very small period. And whenever I do any kind of, make any changes, exactly. I can tell you what the results were in a finite period of back testing, but I can't give you any forward walk data. I don't have it. So it doesn't, in my opinion, it doesn't make sense for me to say, okay, guys, let's all change to this. This is what I'm doing. If it proves it doesn't work. We're just slower than molasses here, guys. 1,900 buyers. We're not shorts. We're not going to be shorts. I'm telling you, we're not shorts. Come on, let's go. It's just dinking around here. I mean, the 15 range was just for months. It printed money. Market conditions change. Volatility changes, and the other instruments I haven't had a fiddle with at all. It's just the ES. I still like the longs, guys. It's pushing the top of a 2-minute cloud. It's being just a dingbat. Seriously, being a dingbat here. Morning, Ozzy. It's holding every little small area of resistance. Here we go. It's pushing up through a trend, trying to push up through a small trend line. Here comes the long, guys. I'm telling you, it's long. It's not a short, guys. Look at this rat bag for real. We're going long, guys. This is not a short. The news is good. Support 62 area. $60 to $62, and then $64. We're going to $79. $79 is target. It's a long, guys. I'm telling you, it's a long. And then $90. 79 and 90. On what? Oh, YM. I didn't even see it. YM got target 1 in the bot. NASDAQ is long, guys. It's long. 79 is some resistance. And then above that. So both targets hit now on YM. And then 90 is final target. I got some 4-hour resistance, which we pierced on that spike at 85. Nice job, Hubba. Daily goal met, hitting the gym. Nice job, Stuart. I'm telling you guys, we ain't shorts. We're going up. 2 accounts. Nice job. Don't forget to send me your totals. I tell you it's not shorts. It ain't shorts. Here comes the 90 final target. I've got nothing on crude, which is doing bo diddly. Yeah, exactly. Shocker. What's a bigger shock is that mine is not. We did hit 90. We got 97.5. ES back into that 20 resistance. Should push up to 25. Yes. Yes, I do, Wayne. Yep. All right, guys. I'm going to try an ES long 1 contract. Let me see if I can get a pullback here to 20 and a quarter. Nice job, Michael. Up to 1250 on 20 Apex funded accounts, done for the day. Absolutely. So here is the common, I'm not going to get that trade. Here, going to 25. Here is the common misconception, right? So the people that I know, right? All the people that I know that make a lot of money as traders do not trade 1 contract 20 times a day. They'll trade 20 contracts once a day. 20 and a quarter. I didn't get it. I was trying to get the back. The more trades we take, the more times we place risk on, the higher degree of probability that you're going to take losing trades, right? Yeah, I want to do 20 contracts too, except I don't have the balls. I'm not going to lie. I've done it. I don't like it. My comfort level is 6 to 8. I'll do 6 to 8. I do not have a comfort level to trade 20. It's all fun and games till you have a $15,000 or $20,000 day loss, which I have in a live account. No, I'm not long in the ES. I wanted 20 quarter. I didn't get it. 25 is the next target. 27. Crude. It's 849. We've got all day, guys. We'll get trades. $94. Let me look at gold. Gold could pull back. Crude, nothing. Natural gas getting beaten into submission by Captain Insano here. They're just killing natural gas. I mean, natural gas cannot find a trade. NASDAQ is trading into 60-minute resistance right here. It hit 60-minute resistance and backed off. Those two are nothing. There's just no 5-minute resistance above yet. None. We have a double top around this 92 now. Crude, interesting long here off of 81.35 if you get a pullback. Thank you, Ryan. See what we get with SPY today. SPX. Qs. Gold is long. You've got a small target at 25.1, 6 ticks. That's hourly. Get rid of this. That's nothing anymore. That's nothing. Gold support 22.4, 21.2, and 19.5 for now. Natural gas, I just can't trade. Broke 4-hour support, bounced back above 4-hour support, broke these resistance, these which were resistance, now support. Got another one down here. Turkey and Hungary will ratify Finland, Sweden and Finland as members of NATO. Well, what's Finland going to do? Turkey wants those F-16s. Gold is long. Come on, man, Finland. Pacifist nation. Come on. What are they going to do? Turkey wants F-35s, but they have to get rid of the S-400s. Is that a Mercedes? You guys don't get my humor, man. Seriously. Exactly. They're going to supply reindeer for rations. That's funny. Thank you, Irfan. Thank you, Amin. All right, a couple of you guys find me comical. All right, I'm back, guys. Eduardo, second day in the room. 3 accounts up 790, 795, and 805. Done for today. Nice job. You're welcome. All right, guys. We've got about 7.5 minutes if anybody has any questions. Coming into 9:30, I'll just go over bots real quick. ES is up $87. Crude took a short reversed into a long, has taken first target. Oh, Bullard speaks at the open. Are you kidding me? Oh, vey. We got first target here on crude. Let me take a look at CL. CL support 81.65. NASDAQ up 340. YM up 250. And natural gas up 15.10. So net positive on the day, nicely ahead of the open. We'll see what we get here, guys. Yeah, I know we have a bunch of Fed speakers today. We also have ECB this week. Yeah, Doug, I'm in agreement with that. Especially, I think that, in my opinion, these Fed guys should not speak until before or after markets, because they obviously heavily influence, price. Oh, I didn't. That's the one I didn't change. CL-03-23. I didn't change that chart. That's all. So let me see. I got a couple minutes here. 240 minute. Let me get some levels for a 4 hour. We have support at 81.91 on a 240. And then 81.35, 60 minute. Let's see what we got for 60. And we're pushing hourly resistance right here. There's a little zone up to about 82.20. And let me go to a smaller time frame. 5 minute support, 81.97. 81.78. And then we'd be into hourly support at 81.56. Doesn't look like we're pulling back. How would the congressman make money if the Fed spoke after markets? James, I do not have daily targets on my bots. I let them run for the benefit of the trials. But if you're trading a funded account, and if you've watched the 3 videos in the member area, then you should know that we have a $500 daily goal on the bots. So the answer is I let them trade because trial members are here to see. All right, crude got both targets here, guys, and is now up $10. It took a loss on this reversed into a long, and got both targets. I let them trade because trial members are here to see them trade. But if I were doing a $500 daily goal, I could be done at 6:15, and then trial members would sit here twiddling their thumbs. I mean, they may take some benefit out of the order flow trades, but coming into the open, NASDAQ has 2,800 net buyers. ES has 12,000. We're looking for pullback longs, guys. I'm not looking for any sell-offs. We're into some resistance. We have 5 minute resistance there. Initial support on the NASDAQ comes in at 99. I would be interested in a pullback 85 to 92. It's kind of what I'm looking at. Let's see here. All right. I've turned natural gas back on. I had ES. Crude is obviously on. NASDAQ and YM are off at the moment. I'll wait for the initial shake. All right, guys. What's the over-under on my Dom freezing today? Between 9:30 and 10. More or less than 8 times. What's the over-under? More than 8? I'm probably, yeah, definitely, I think. I think it's going to be greater than 8 too. There's going to be a ton of volume. Now, I really have no charts I can eliminate, Wayne. That's the problem. It's not just the charts on Ninja. In Ninja's defense, I do run 3 different platforms simultaneously. I am running, obviously, Ninja. I'm running TradeStation, and I'm running TD Ameritrade. So I'm getting 3 separate data feeds. I have a supercomputer. This is no puppy, but I am looking at buying a Falcon and GoToMeeting, which is a major data hog. One of the things that may help you guys, if you guys have Skype and you have it open, you should close Skype because that's also a data hog. All right, fellas. Let's see here. Do I use Apex data for NinjaTrader or something else? No, I use Apex Rhythmic data. Yeah, the downside to IQ feed, and I looked into IQ, markets are open, guys. Thank you, Floyd. Kind of a slow open with small net buyers. I think we pull back a bit. I think we're going to pull back here, guys. What did I get a trade on right off? My Dom is already frozen. I have a short on the ES. My Dom is already frozen. IQ feed is very expensive. They charge you per instrument. When I looked at IQ feed, my data cost per month would have been about $700. Looks like we're going up. All right, guys. NASDAQ has buyers over 3,000. If we break above 22, we're going to go. 22 is kind of the key here. Long on the breakout above 22. Call it a 23 long. I can't trade. My Dom is frozen. 23 long. There it is, 23. And we got the 2650 is 12. I can't trade, so I'm dead in the water. Come on, NASDAQ, push up. Let's go. All right, let me turn some. NASDAQ bot is on. YM. All my bots are on. Yeah, it's still going long. It's not a short. I can't trade anyways. I'm dead in the water. Natural gas is now long on the bot. Can't move my Dom. Here's ES is still in this bot trade. And natural gas is in a long, but I can't move the natural gas bot. It's frozen. Target 1 on the ES. I'm going to be out at break even. Out. Natural gas is in a long. I cannot move the bot. Look at this little ratbag. Bullard speaking. I forgot all about Bullard. I still have no Dom. 2 minutes in. No Dom, fellas. Still no Dom. Okay. I have a Dom. Here is natural gas. Sit along hasn't gone anywhere. And now I can't move it off the screen. Is that what he said? We may have more rate hikes and we may not. Bullard expects inflation will be elevated by year end still. And then again, it may not. Yeah. That's why the market's chopping here. Fed policy is almost restrictive, but we are not there yet. There is a YM short, got target 1 immediately and then stopped out on the runner on the break even. There it is. I'm going to put trail on in the YM. Wedged between some support and some resistance. Let's get past Bullard, I guess. ES into VWAP. My Dom's frozen again. It works, then it doesn't. It works, then it doesn't. It works, then it doesn't. Same thing I had yesterday. Nothing's changed. I don't have us in shorts, guys. 3,200 net buyers. We're not shorts. I mean, this is just utter bullshit with this Dom. ES pushing the 200 day again. Bullard says he wants the Fed to err on the tighter side as insurance. Okay. There are no sellers. Support is 85, resistance is 10. That's the little range that we're in right now on the ES. Order filled somewhere. Got to be the ES again. It is. This is trade number 3 on the ES. Right back into that support at 85. It's now breaking. Both targets hit and filled on the ES. Dom is still frozen. I don't know what you said, Caleb. I did buy in, earn, and Oh, earn one, burn one, and made 4,000. Got it. Got it. Still no Dom. All right. Have a working Dom again. Yeah, I wish they would stop speaking myself. Short on the NASDAQ bot. Target one. We should now come down to 65. Both targets hit and filled. Up 675. Bullard said global economic factors have improved. Small buyers will probably come down to 66.50. Natural gas is still on, has not gone to a target yet or a stop. It's just kind of, you can see it on the screen. It's not really doing anything. If it gets above this swing here at 59, ES basically holding 20. Small resistance at 99. Let me just look at a 10-minute chart. 10-minute chart is long. Hourlies are long. We're pushing pivots. That's why we're struggling. But we're longs. We're longs overall. 3,100 buyers. We're longs overall, but going nowhere. We're just kind of screwing around in here, guys. Bullard's worried about upward pressure on inflation. Global outlook could push up commodity prices. Natural gas got target one on the bot. Target one is filled. Stop is break even. So we either get target, it's break even plus one. We either get targets. I've got nothing on gold, nothing on crude, really nothing on natural gas. NASDAQ and ES are just chopping around with Bullard. Small time frame, 2-minute is a short. 10-minute out to hourlies are long. Come on, do something. Yes, if we get above that swing high, which probably is the day high, 32.50, we can break out. We got to get above that 200-day. Hanging out around 3,800. Natural gas trying to get target 2 on the bot. 3,600 net buyers. Prospects for a soft landing in the U.S. economy have improved markedly. Five-minute resistance at 17. Yeah, I know, right? Second target hit and filled on natural gas. Bullard said front-loading rates have served us well. I still have a frozen DOM. There we go, unfrozen. It freezes, unfreezes, freezes, unfreezes. We're just, guys, we're just stuck. I have no idea what that means, Barry. I'm surely no ninja. I don't know what that means. What you may want to try to do is shut down your computer and restart your computer and see if that helps. You can see we're doing nothing here, guys, but just hanging out. Small buyers, small sellers. There are no trades to do. Yeah, I agree. This is a crock of shit with him at the open. There's no question. No question. We're just, guys, there are no trades to do. Small time frame stuff. You know, I've got us in obvious long, shorts on 2 minutes, but bigger time frames, longs. I'd like to see this thing come down and tag VWAP. Where's VWAP? 67. I'd like to see us come get VWAP. We're just not doing anything. If this is going to break down, it's got to break down below 73. If we break down below 73, we probably start a pullback into VWAP, but that's only 67 at that point. This is not tradable at all right now. Globex discount, it's less than 200 per month for level 2 data for basically everything on all the exchanges. Can you send me an email for that, Doug? Yeah, but I don't know if I can use that in. Can I use IQ data feed in conjunction with Apex? Nice job, Arjan. 10% on the SPY calls. Nice, or 40% on SPY. Nice. Anybody know if this clown is done speaking? Does anybody know? Okay. We're going higher, guys. We have 4,700 buyers. We're pushing 60-minute resistance. Yeah, so SPY, my target was 401. If SPY breaks out above 400.25, it breaks out. That's above yesterday's high. ES pushing resistance up through 35. So he might still be speaking. God, I mean, that's just, may get a small scalp here, short. I need this candle to close below 35.50. My Dom's frozen again. I'm at 52 quarter. It's got to come down through here, 33. Come on. Seriously, un-effing real with this Dom, fellas. Un-effing real. Un-effing real. We should come back to 20, right? 20, 22. We should come to 22. I've never had these kind of problems, Ray. I have never, ever, 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 ever had these problems. That's why I say I don't believe that this is Ninja. I believe that this is Apex. I don't believe that this is Ninja. There's your short, guys, below 33. Down to, this should come back to 22. I would take the long off 22 if we get there. Well, my experience so far with Apex, or at least what appears to be their data end of it, is less than stellar. Less than stellar. I mean, they frankly get failing grades. I don't believe this is a Ninja issue. could be just off on this. Yeah, maybe 19, guys. Call it 20. 20 quarter. All right, so he must be done. Okay. Natural gas, if I get a close over VWAP, I'll take it long. I need a 5-minute close above VWAP. Crude doesn't want to retrace. Gold isn't doing anything. ES is largely quiet. I'm frozen again. Look at this, 27. I'm now filled and I'm frozen. Filled and frozen. How about that? Come on, give me that quarter, you rat bag. Give me that 25 quarter. Give me that 25 quarter. Target filled. Fuck them. I'll trade with a frozen Dom. Fuck them. You guys good? Anybody take that trade? I had it pending there for a while. I closed it. I'm up 555 in the account. I'm done. I'm done. Jeez. Seriously. Done with that account. Hit goal on first account. Nice job, Wayne. Starting second. Yeah, me too. Hang on, guys. I got to change all my accounts. Dom's frozen again. Whoever had over 8, you're the winner. Up 1802 regular accounts and 450 plus on one Apex. Nice job, Steve. All right, so I got 555 on one account. I switched to another account. You won, Doug. I mean, I think it's got to be over 20. Seriously, I just put on a trade and have no idea where I'm at, what I'm doing. I'm going to send them a scathing email. Oh my God, a bot trade. About time. NASDAQ. Guys, we have very good support now at 19 and small resistance at 38. 19 and 38. 19 and 38. Ciao, Eduardo. 19 and 38. Yeah, you can go to 750 is the hard floor, Paul. 750 is the hard floor. So here is that trade, fellas. That's the long we took. That's our resistance. So we have some support below at 17. So that's been tested several times. I'd probably still consider buying it again. All right, Brett, have a good day. Don't forget, guys, if you guys are leaving, send me your totals. Okay. We'll probably bounce off this 5-minute support here. Small bounce there. First one has been tested, so I don't buy him again. I think we come down to 96. Let's see here, NQ. All right, guys, this is hourly here and 240 there in black. 1,100 sellers in here, so I'm not buying a pullback. Too many sellers. Bottom of the 2-minute cloud here. Let me look at 10-minute. We're failing the top of the daily cloud. I told you I thought we were going to get a fairly good pullback. We are way overbought. Bounced VWAP. Now I'd look for a break below VWAP. I don't think we come much lower than 66 to 72, but they're selling them aggressively in here. You guys, God damn it, my Dom is frozen again at 10.75. We effectually held yesterday's high, which is about 6 points above VWAP. So we could bounce back 718 and then fail. I think you can take a small short 707 area. That's going to be your resistance, 15. Crude still going. I can't trade crude today. Natural gas did not get back above VWAP. We already hit target at 10. I have no trade there. I can't trade crude. I mean, this is just kind of a NASDAQ ES show. ES also bounced off of VWAP. Think you can take a small short on the NASDAQ. You can short 90. You can short 90. Still have 3,000 buyers, guys. Not like they just sold everything back, but 10 minutes are still long. Hourlies are still long. We're on the bottom end of an hourly candle. ES is still kind of struggling. Opening range, 60-minute range, shorted ES from 32 to the point of control. Nice job, Marco. We could go back to 17. I would short 17 on the up move. Yeah, I would try a 14 to 18 is what I see as the resistance area. 14, it may not even get there. This is support here. If we break here, you can short there. 90. Oh, let's try putting it on the sell side. Looks like we're going to push up to 18. Cancel that 90. I'm going to short 19. No, I'm not. My Dom is frozen. There it goes. I'll try an 18. It's not going to get there. It only got to 14 quarter half. It's still a 90 short for me. Gold, I can't get a damn trade. $90 short. Yeah, that should get us to 80. I mean, we're holding infinitesimal support. $11 million SPY calls, 410 strike, February 10th just came through. No kidding. 410 calls for February 10 expiration. Was that one sweep, Robert? One sweep? Cancel that 90. 3. Damn. Thank you, Doug. I'll reach out to them because this is just complete absurdity. There's not that much volume. It's not like this thing is screaming around. I'm going to try, guys, a 19 short. Can't even get through 14. 15. God dang. Just a crappy little trade here. I could look at other stuff, guys. Grains, for instance. I have nothing on silver. Nothing on wheat. Gold, squatola. If you guys are trading a cash account, you can cancel that. If you're trading a cash account, you can short NASDAQ here 707 with a stop at 49. But this could come a long, long way down if they start bailing out of these contracts. They've got longs trapped. Yeah, I'm watching 19. That's the area I'm watching. I mean, I can argue now we could short 99 or 19. 99 or 19. I don't think we can get to 19. We're in this little screwy zone here, fellas. Doesn't want to go up, doesn't want to go down. We're wedged between support at 04 and resistance at 16.5. I like the 20 resistance better, but than 16.5, but c'est la vie. You do, Randy? Okay. I have no bot trades, fellas. Nothing. If we break below 98, we're coming down to 90. Can short it here. This is that, no, 98. That's our short. I shorted 98 and my DOM is frozen. I have no idea where my targets, there we go. DOM is unfrozen. That came down to 93. One tick from my target. Seriously, one tick from target. God, this pisses me off so badly, fellas. Really, it pisses me off badly, this freezing. I got target without even seeing it. And we hit that 91. If we break that, we're coming 84. Out at even. Still think shorts here, guys. $500 sellers. I don't think it's Ninja, Albert. I do not think this is Ninja. Are you trading an Apex account? I don't know about blind. Stupid, maybe, Wayne. Powell has COVID? Oh, all he's got to do is reach out to Fauci. Fauci will take care of him. Top Step, same thing. It could be the data connections with Rhythmic. I don't know. I don't think it's Ninja at this point. There's not enough volume for Ninja to be screwed up. I think we're coming down to 85, and we're going to bounce, guys, somewhere between 85 and 82. Yeah, if you listen, I'm all for mask wearing. I'm actually wearing a mask as I'm here by myself in my office. And when I go outside, I stay 6 feet away from other people. That shit didn't age well, did it? All I want to know is, I only have one question. Coming down, guys. I only have one question. How much money did they all make on Moderna, Pfizer, and Johnson & Johnson stock? That's what I want to know. How many hundreds and hundreds of millions did those people make, billions, on those three stocks? I mean, Moderna was $500 at one point. How many billions? Because it's always about the money. Everything is about the money. They knew that vaccine didn't work. A new boat. He should have a freaking 140-foot yacht. What are you talking about? Boat. Guys, we can try a small short at 99. I've had COVID twice. And then my wife and I both had what they said was an upper respiratory virus. Could have been COVID. I didn't get tested. No, didn't get to that 99. We're coming down, guys. Here's VWAP. If we break VWAP, this is going to get ballooned. Really ballooned. We held yesterday's high once more. The first time I had COVID was, I'm not going to lie, was I had all the symptoms. And the exhaustion was brutal. I mean, utterly brutal. NASDAQ came down into 240 minutes. Yeah, really. The COVID test is BS too. The ones you buy at the store for $25. You had 7 friends die from COVID. They must have been unvaccinated. If they were vaccinated, they'd still be with us. I'm a big vaxxer. Nice job, Paul. That's 750 is the hard floor. Paul was down 550. He's green from down 550. Guys, we are chopping around in a 2-minute range that you cannot believe. It is that small. Seriously, this is just, I mean, this is horrendous. Yeah, I'm not vaccinated. I said from day one, there is no way I'm putting anything in my body that they don't know what the hell it is. I don't care what the government, I know we're from the government. We're here to help. There was no way on earth. My wife has you're better off just shorting this thing, I think, fellas. Straight down to 54. We're coming to 45.75. There it is, and this should bounce it at 60-minute support. If that doesn't hold, we're going to blow down to 30. ES short target 4,005. 4,005. Okay, so these all become resistance now all the way up, right? I'm not going to bother making that red. I know what I'm looking at. 5-minute close below this swing, so we're holding some support. There's a zone here from the wicks, right? That's a zone, but we should push down. They're selling them aggressively. There we go. Next target 30. If I were trading a cash account, I'd have been short for all of this. With Apex, I got to be careful. All right. And I'm frozen again. Look at this. 44.75, I'm frozen. That's 60-minute support. If this breaks, we're going to sell them back to zero, guys. We're heading to 600. We're heading down here. I'm telling you we are. We're heading down to 600. Nice job, Ryan. Was down 550, up 500. Your daily goal is in on that account. Guys, that's why I gave a hard. All right, guys, we're coming to 609. God dang it. Now I'm frozen at 26.75. Look at this. You were down 600, now up 200. Well, I mean, listen, here's the deal. We take what the market gives us, and early on it didn't give us much, right? Gold is trying to turn up. Be nice to get a gold. But believe it or not, guys, in this entire move, we have no trades. Earl was down 350. He's up 930 now. I have not, Paul. Yeah, I'm a little frustrated. I'm not going to lie. Look, I'm frozen at 26. There we go. So I'm still looking, guys, for shorts. This is resistance here, 30 half. If we can get through this 30 half, we just traded into yesterday's close. We should bounce here. We should bounce off yesterday's close. And we should bounce back up to 44, maybe 42. Come on, get out of here. You can't, yeah, but the thing is, TradeStation, the margin requirement for TradeStation is almost 15,000 per NASDAQ contract. I mean, you cannot beat Ninja relative to margin. And then also TradeStation and all of the major platforms, TradeStation, TD Ameritrade, et cetera, they all follow the $25,000 minimum day trading rule. I mean, I strongly suggest you go back and view those videos where I've addressed that. But for the purposes of your question, the delta is currently at positive 1,200 contracts. Right? Where was it 10 minutes ago? Where was it 15 minutes ago? Where was it 20 minutes ago? So what's happened? What's happened? Yeah, I mean, it's really, I'm going to try a short, guys. Doesn't want to break. Come on, break down. No. Come on, break down, you dog. Let's go. Push down. Got 20 buyers here. There we go. Come on. Break 19. We'll get that first target. Come on, you rat scum. Look at this shit. I'm out. I'm out. I'm going to take it on the long side, I think, fellas. It wouldn't break. Missed by a tick. We're holding yesterday's close at 24. And then pivots all down through here. I don't think we come much lower than 607. Somebody commenting on how large a rate hike she wants at the February 1st meeting. I didn't hear the name. Esther George, maybe? I didn't hear the name. She said they think the Fed needs to keep going and be above 5%. That can't possibly be good. I'll try it again at 25.50. There's too little momentum for me to want to sell down moves at this point because we're trading into pivots. Gold is doing absolutely nothing all day. Natural gas had a nice sell, 30 ticks below that, 40 ticks below that 10 target, but we only trade one contract, so. All right, guys, I will take a 601 long. Well, I'm frozen again. You're welcome, Jacques. 601 long, guys. 601 long. If I can get it, I will get it. but I'm frozen again. This will probably be one of those blind trades if it fills. Nice job. Got your target at 4,005. Nice job. Next level down would be 4,000. If we break below 4,000, this could get ugly. All right, I'm filled at 01. And it was indeed a blind trade. Come on, seriously? There it is. Target 1 filled. Target 2 filled off 01. Anybody take that 01 trade? Anybody take 01 trade? Okay. Zoobity doo da, do 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 do. All right, fellas. Nice job, Paul. Can't move my Dom. It's frozen. Oh, there we go. So why did we take 01? 240-minute support. Bam. She's a bad mamma jamma. Nice job, Wayne. Down to 650. Past goal and on second account. Nice job. I'd like to get at least another $100. I'd like to get at least another $100 on this account, and then I've got 2 accounts over their daily goal. Yesterday I had 7, but this is ugly trading at best. Crude is bleeding lower. And when I say bleeding, I mean bleeding. 240-minute support. Next level down is going to be 91, and then below that, 82. 91 and 82. And then we'll get them again. We may not break 600. That's going to be formidable, I would think. 81 is overnight lows. Yeah, so that's what I have. 81 is 82 is low, or is support, and 91.50. But we may have a hard time breaking 600. I mean, they're not going to go quietly on 600. On a 2-minute, I'm building a bull flag. All right, we've got a short on crude on the bot. Nice job, Frank. Up $1,000. Nice job. Guys, let me ask you a question. Does it help or hurt me trading on the screen? Does it hurt or help? Okay. 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 All right. All right, guys. Coming into some support here. I'm going to buy. All right, we're breaking 91. We're trying to hold it. We could bounce right back up to 600. We basically held 91. We breached it by 4 points. I didn't take 91 because it looked like it was going to blow down through to the overnight low at 82. And I'm frozen again at 94. I wonder if they'll sell them to me at 94. I can sell them back at 99. A little bit of arbitrage here. All right, guys, but we're coming into the top of the hour. God dang it. I'm frozen again. 82 is your entry. 82 for another bounce. Come on. This is so ridiculous. I'll buy 82, guys. Low of the day. We could come down to 74. We could come to 70. That's the next major support. It's 4-hour support, 240 minutes. We didn't even get there, 82. It looks to me like we're going to break down completely. We've gone negative delta on the NASDAQ. $82, we could bounce back to 90. We can't even get to 82. We got to 85.50. Dirt devil. ES is trying to break 4,000. ES would be a long above 08 on the 15 minute. So if ES goes back up, your long, call it 08 half. Come on, one bounce. I'm going to try a short, guys, at 03, 02. I'm going to try an 02 short. Hit me. All right, I'm filled. It's a risky short because it's moving up on buyers. This could go to 14, and I'm frozen again. How the fudge am I supposed to trade with a frozen Dom every trade? All right, I closed the trade. God damn motherfucker. Seriously. Man, Apex is going to get an email from me today that's going to be brutal. Just brutal. $600 buyers came back in. We should go up from here. We're turning up here. If this gets above 17, 18, it's going up. 17, 18, it's going up. I may try them because I got to tell you something. Apex should be disgusted. They don't care. I mean, they really don't care. There's obviously an issue with data. I don't believe this is Ninja. I do not believe this is a Ninja issue. You can try a long here, guys, above 17 half. It'll get you first target above 17 half. Am I sure it's Apex? No, but I've never had issues like I'm having currently. I've never had these kind of issues with Ninja. I've had freezing with Ninja to be sure, but I have never had issues like this. Break above here, and this should get you first target. Come on. Doesn't want to break. Come on, push, you little rat bag. It's 3-minute resistance. That's all it is at 17.75. Above this, we go 25. Dom's frozen again. For the love of God. Yeah, Irfan, I believe it is. I believe it's 100% Apex. I mean, I could, Paul. I could. There you go. You guys should have first target now. First target. There you go. Boom. First target. I got first target again on a frozen Dom. How about that? First target on a frozen Dom. I'm done. 820. Anybody take the trade? You got it again. Got him again, fellas. Thank you, Brian. All right, guys, let's go over bot trades. All right, guys. It's 11 o'clock. ES finished down 275. Boy. Crude is in a trade. I won't know how that completes, but it was up $10 at the time. NASDAQ finished up 695 on the day. YM up 525 on the day. And last but not least, natural gas finished up 2,050 on the day. So $2,000, 27, 28, 33 minus 2, 300, 3,000, $3,000 gross minus whatever crude does. Guys, I was able to get 2 accounts green today. I got one here at $820, and the other one is $555. So $820 and $555. That's all I was able to do. Anybody have any questions? Well, the bot is in a short, so I won't have a total until the end of the day. I don't know what that's going to do, up or stop or target. Any questions, guys? All right, guys, fairly successful day again. It was a little tougher trade for the first hour. You're welcome, Frank. It was also slightly aggravating again for me. All right, let me requalify that. When I say slightly aggravating, I mean monumentally aggravating. Freezing DOMs. Yes, send me an email. Freezing Johns. Yeah, it was frustrating AF, but green. As long as we're green, guys, and we had guys that were down $550, $560, $600 that are now green. Cy turned a red day into green. He's on trial. Thank you, Marco. We got a bunch of guys funded accounts today on the burn one, earn one. We got a bunch of funded accounts today. So overall, it was a good day. I just have to accept the fact that, again, and I will try to clean some stuff up tonight. I'll take some indicators off. I'll do, I don't know what else I can do and see if it persists. Remember, tomorrow's our last day in the room. Thank you, John. Tomorrow's our last day in the room. I am gone Friday. I'm out of town, back on Sunday. Next Wednesday, I will not be in the room either. My wife will be having back surgery. She's having a spinal fusion done. So I will not be here next Wednesday. I will not be here on Friday. If anybody needs me, email me. I'll see my 1 o'clock guys in 2 hours. Have a blessed